What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your dude here, Mr. Dragon, coming at you with another video. Today we're going to do a video on Nunchaku. Let's get on to it. I'm a dragon. Alright, YouTube viewers, it's your dude here, Mr. Dragon, coming at you with another video. Like I said before, by the way, if you guys have not already done so, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell for any of my future videos coming up. Keep in mind, I do both martial arts react videos and also calisthenics and cosplay workouts. So basically, I'm doing an all-around thing. But don't let that stop you. And I'm still coming up with another react video after this. But right now, somebody reached out to me and wanted to know basics on Nunchaku. So I decided to bring out my Nunchaku and show him the basics. Alright, so here are the basics. First of all, when you're holding your Nunchaku, you don't want to hold it down here. I mean, it's not Bruce Lee. That shows less control. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is don't keep it close here either. Otherwise, it's not going to hold anything, and you get less. It's not good. You gotta make sure you got a good control of your nunchaku, because this thing can be anywhere at any time if you're not careful. So hold it directly down in the middle like so, and grip it firmly. Now for the strikes. What I'm going to do is going to show you the triangle strike. You can do this from either side. So if you're right-handed, go ahead and do it right hand. Left-handed, go ahead and do it left. It depends on you. So right now, I want you to work on the triangle strike. Here's how it's going to start. For the triangle strike, you're going to go diagonal across the body. Let me do a slow motion from side view. Diagonal across the body. Don't hit hard, just go slow. I want you to go slow. I don't want you to hurt yourself. So go diagonal. And once you do that, I want you to do a vertical strike sideways right here. So let's recap. Diagonal, vertical. All right, so once you get that, let me do a side view. Diagonal, vertical. And once you do that, you bring it back over your shoulder. And this is going to be just straight horizontal type of deal going up. So it's just like cross diagonal, horizontal, vertical. Cross, up. Or just do it like this. 1, 2, 3. Diagonal, horizontal, vertical. Diagonal, horizontal, vertical. Notice how I keep my hand out right here, because I want to make sure that if I'm swinging it, it doesn't hit me anywhere I don't want it to hit. And you got to keep your guard up, so keep your hand out. Don't hold it like this and you hit yourself like that. No, don't do that. You're gonna hurt yourself. And that hand is right there just to protect yourself. So just in case you're not very keen on the nunchucks, you can go like this and you can block it. Go like this, block it. Especially if you feel like it's not going the right direction. But trust me, you got to keep your hand out. Either like this way, makes it easy, or hands out, 1, 2, and then that. And once you get the hang of it, once you get the good feel of it, then you can start going faster with it. So you just start going like 1, 2, that. Here's one way you can do it. First, you can do it like this. 1, 2, 3. You don't have to do the extra spin I did. That's the beginner's part. Once you get used to that, you can add a little extra spin to it to put it behind you. So it's like a 1, 2, 1 spin behind. 1, 2, 1 spin behind. 1, 2, 1 spin behind. Once you get used to that, then you turn direction and turn in this direction. So it'll be easy so you guys can see what I'm doing. So 1, 2, 1 spin back. Let me do that slow. 1, 2, 1 spin behind. And once you get used to that, you can go fast. You can go something went on my foot. Once you get used to that, then you go ahead and go fast like this. And that's the triangle strike. Now you can do it from any other side, plus it makes it easier for you to transition from the other side to your left. Alright? So when you get it from right here, so you go like 1, 2, 1 spin back. That's the advanced part. The beginners, 1, 2, and just straight up to the back. After that, 1, 2, advanced. But take your time with it. I want you guys to take your time. All right? So I don't want you guys to do anything too crazy. I don't want you guys to go and you start hitting yourself, and you hit yourself in the groin, and you hit yourself in the knee. I don't want that to happen. So that's what I want you guys to practice. For a bonus tip, this is great for you if you want to, you know, go to the left side, or if you're doing it on the left side, go to your right side. So what you want to do is that once you get it like the correct way, like right here, you go cross, double spin, back. When you got it back here, you can see the dangler right behind me. You see the dangler behind me right there? Once this dangler behind you, you can put your hand right here. So when your hand is way out here, you can actually bring it right back here and grab. It makes it easier. So once you grab it, poof, go on the other side, and your right hand is replaced by your left. Your right hand replaces your left hand. You see right behind me right here? Makes it easier. And a good tip, I can't remember his name, but he commented and he's saying like he's using it to practice some arm exercises, you know, getting his reflexes built up. This is great. Nunchaku is great for that. So once you get your hand right here underneath it, you can grip it. Be careful with it though. Of course, you can hit your back. It's okay if you hit your back. I mean, it's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna kill you. Just make sure you aim right here for your hand to be here. Make sure you have an open grip. Your hand's wide open for the grab. Because if your hand's like this, and if it's not foam like this, it's going to hurt your finger. So you gotta have an open grip. So when you put it behind you, open grip, and you can grab it. Otherwise, it's gonna be like one of those wooden speed chucks, and it's gonna hit you right in the fingertips, and it's gonna hurt. Still diagonal, vertical, horizontal, right back here, and then a switch, and there's another diagonal. So diagonal, reverse, horizontal, back right here, boom, 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 and practice that. Once you get used on both sides, you start doing this, that. I know it's windy out here. I love it. I don't know. I just feel like I want to do this video outside. You know, change the pace. Here, that. So once you get fast, and once you get used to that, you can actually add some extra stuff. So see, like advance 1, 2, double up, and that's it. Cool. Anyway, YouTube viewers, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed day. It really is a good day. I mean, it's windy. I'm sorry if you guys can barely hear me, but anything like that. But other than that, a React video is coming up sometime this week. Trust and believe, I am so ready for it. And if you guys have any other tips or have any other martial arts like tutorials you want me to do, by all means, put it down in the comments down below. And if you have not already done so, go ahead and like, subscribe, notification bell for any of my future videos coming up in the future. And I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to enjoy this outside breeze, maybe go for a long walk, maybe go for a bike ride, I don't know. But one thing for sure, it is a beautiful, blessed day, and I thank God every day for it. And congrats on making it to 119. Okay, 119 subscribers. I'm going up. Also, my merch is down below in the comments, in the in the description. So be sure to go ahead and check it out. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Bye.